We pride ourselves on our people and our incredible service. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to provide you with a great experience. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So whether you're somebody brand new or you've been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.